Hey friends, today we shall see how to make radish raita. For this we shall need radish that is grated, some jeera, mustard seeds, salt, curd, green chilies, chana dal and urad dal, coriander and curry leaves. To get started, we add some oil to a pan and let it heat for some time. Once the oil is hot enough, we shall add jeera. Once the mustard seeds start to pop, add curry leaves. We see that the mustard seeds are popping to the screen. After this, add chana dal and urad dal to the oil and let it cook a bit. We see that the contents of the pan are now turning brownish, and I shall turn the flame to low and add some green chilies. Next we shall add the grated radish. We shall now mix this properly and let it cook for some time till we see that the radish is turning a bit transparent and slightly brownish. Once the radish is cooked nicely, turn off the flame and let it cool for a while. You can also add some of the coriander while the mixture is still hot so that the aromas get blended in nicely. I have transferred the mixture to a bowl and I shall add some curd to this. Curd is as per liking, and as I like a lot of curd in my raita, I shall add a bit more. Next, add some salt according to your liking. And now let us mix all of this together so that the salt and the curd is consistent across. Once you have mixed it completely, we shall add some coriander garnish to this. Your radish raita is ready to serve. You can have it with chapati and is a personal favorite. Do try it out and give a share, like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.